Well, for those of you that's been wondering what I've been doing at the GarajMahal, here we are outside the GarajMahal, and as you can see, I don't have a jib or steady cam. This is just on a little Sony handheld pocket camera type thing. So here we are. We're going to go inside, and you're going to have to pardon the mess because I've got it torn all to pieces, and I'll show you why. Stuff is everywhere out of all the old shelving and cabinets. And up there on the wall, as you can see, are those, I don't know what those are, but they're out of displays, out of stores. And I purchased a bunch of those things and decided to get them up on the walls and get some stuff rather out of cabinets up on shelves where I can see it, or you can see it, and maybe find things a little more quickly, not have it hidden so badly of the things I use a lot. So we'll scan around here a little bit and let you see just how bad it's gotten in here. But it's fixed to get a lot better, a lot cleaner looking, and a lot more streamlined. There's material where I've been building cabinets. Over there are some of the tools I've been building cabinets with. As you can see, what a mess, what a mess. But there's some more up on the wall. I've got to get some more up along this wall over here. And I'm going to put some up above the window. And there's some above the old toolboxes, and here's some of the bases right here that all those came from. Those were gondolas that were used in a fabric store that went out of business. So we purchased a bunch of those things, and I took them all apart, and I sort of took the shop apart along with it to turn those into something else. Now, whoop, scanning or painting way too fast, I apologize. So over here, we're going to go into, and here's some more of this stuff over here. As you can see, there's material here all over the place. There's some more of those things along the wall there. And I was actually keeping my radio up on top of those for a long time. So I had to quickly make a little radio shelf there yesterday and used the old pocket screw machine and got those up and got their permanent home. Over here, there's a little bit of a close-up so you can see how those things look. And allow me also to have some hanging spaces here just below the shelving. And I think it's going to work out pretty well. And I've got a ton of these things. I think I've got 10 or 11 of these that are double-sided. As you can see, these things are somehow fused together. And by the way, these are for sale. If someone would like those, you'd have to pick them up because one of those things will get your lunch. I mean, it is extremely, extremely heavy. But they are double-sided, and they take a really nice hanging clip here that you can always put a price on whatever it is that you have hanging, I suppose. So, or maybe you can use it like I'm going to do and just label it so I know where to put things back. Hey, it never hurts to be a little bit organized. So. Pretty neat little deals. I don't know what these cost, but they're nice and heavy, and they seem to hold really well. I don't have this one down in place yet. I just threw it up there for the video. So we'll go up and over the ladder and around and through. Again, there's another shot of the old radio, and I think that radio is like 45 years old. It isn't even a tape player. I'm talking old, guys, but man, it's got a great sound. Let's flip it on here. Now we're talking pretty good old radio here, so let's go over this way. We'll go into the next room at the old GarajMahal. And I'll show you. I took out some more shelving and cabinets over here. Here's some more cabinet material. Let me get another light on here that I've been building the cabinets out of, and that's some of those. I don't know if you can see over there again, but if we can get up a little closer. I'm not sure how to zoom on this thing, so apparently I don't know how to do that. Anyway, excuse me. Again, here's some of those materials. And that's the little sign they put on each one of those things when I bought it. So there you go. Scanning over here, there'll be some more of those things up over the door. along with the doorbell. You can have a doorbell in the old Garage Mahal. Here's some of the cabinets that I built, and I'm going to scan down here. I like to build heavy. As you can see, these things are built out of some very heavy material. Even the bottoms are like 1/2 inch thick. So in case I throw a whole lot more stuff in here, and you know I will. So in case you need some cinder blocks, we have those as well. So this is, and this is going upstairs. There's the hardwood flooring for the upstairs. Hey, might as well have a little bit of class in here while we're at it. And over here is another set of the upper cabinets I built. And down there is a little lower cabinet. And here's where the TV is going to go. One of the TVs goes there. And if we scan around here, there's the door there that goes over here. And there's a place over there actually behind that roll around rack, and that second, whatever those things are called that you hang on the wall, there's actually a place there for a TV. So as we go along and things may change and get to where we need it, we may move the TV from one area to another. And over here is a little bit of a pretty neat little light that comes on if you walk past it, and you shouldn't. So alright, I don't ain't laughing about the mirror. The mirrors are something you ought to have when you look as good as I do, or as bad as I do. Well, it's one of those, I'm never sure. And over here in the, by the way, the Garage Mahal has an indoor outhouse. Check this out. There's one upstairs, and my lovely bride, bless her heart, wanted an indoor outhouse, and I thought, well, I ought to have an indoor outhouse. She's going to have one. So I put me an indoor outhouse in here. As you can see, I've been cleaning a few items today, trying to put some things away. I need to clean that sink. And this is another one of the cabinets I built. And again, oh, look, I ran out of magazines, guys. I had to go downtown and get some factory made stuff. So this is just a pretty good little cabinet, fairly heavy. It was got my lunch getting it off the shelf, off the workbench, but pretty good little cabinet, and it does its job. I made a, if you can see that countertop piece in there, that fits down in the sink to give you a solid countertop across here and turn that into a workbench. So anyway, this is what I've been doing, and I'll have more and more things up on the wall and out of the way, and get this old Garage Mahal where it's sort of presentable again, and or not again. The place is relatively new, just never have gotten it finished. So it's getting there. I even have a place to store the little electric heaters in the summertime when they're not in use. So this is what we've been doing. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you'll hit the like button and subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Y'all come back and see us here at the Garage Mahal. And don't forget to spring forward and set your clocks. Thank you.